You can easily install ChatGPT app on your desktop or on your laptop if you are in Chrome, Firefox, Edge or any other browser. So I have ChatGPT open here in Chrome and I can have ChatGPT open in Edge. So the installation process is quite similar. So what you can do is click on, okay, let me show you in Chrome because that's the most popular browser. So go to Chrome, click on these three dots here, and here you'll see cast, save and share. Hover over this and you will see install page as app. Just click on this and you can give it any name you want. A good tip is to just write your current username because you might have different profiles, and then click on install. And once the installation is complete, as you can see, you'll have ChatGPT installed as an app. Now you can close your Chrome, close Edge and close whatever you want and press your Windows key and type ChatGPT. As you can see, it has been now installed as an app. Now you can uninstall this or run it as an administrator. Just click on this and ChatGPT will open directly and you can do whatever you want with it. If you were logged into any account in your browser, the same account will be logged in here. Now to uninstall this, just type your app name, that is ChatGPT again, and click on uninstall and it will be uninstalled. After you come here to the install apps, scroll down and here just click on this and click on uninstall and your ChatGPT will be uninstalled. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.